It has been harder for me to sneak up on people ever since that gift.
It's true, which I'm grateful for because I
mean,
can smell you coming.
Right, at least downwind. It's easy
Sure,
upwind.
yes.
No one sees me coming.
Yeah.
Like a puma. But I was trying to surprise Eleanor, who was our
neighbor
neighbor
at the KOA.
Right, in
Bali.
Bali.
Spanish Fork, Bali.
Bali, Spanish Fork. It's a little neighborhood. You can look them up.
Yeah, it's a suburb of
Super
the suburb of Spanish Fork.
elite, yeah.
Yeah, real nice.
Real estate is through the roof in Bali.
Spanish Fork,
great. Anyway, I was going to jump out and scare Eleanor because she had scared you so terribly that day.
Yes, and that was only fair, was to retaliate.
Yes, a
and seek
revenge.
revenge. Yes.
And anyway, she was passing by that rose bush. I went to jump out. The thorn caught my hip, and anyway, she knew I was there.
Well, she also has a terrible allergic reaction to green tea, and so as soon as she could, you jumped out, and the scare was sort of ruined because you were just
puffed up.
Yes, she just swallowed it like a puff. Yes, exactly.
Exactly.
And
so we rolled her on over to the Instacare, and they deflated her. She's great.
Yeah. Well, I think so. I mean, we just left her there.
Well, I mean, we had a show.
I had to execute the full line of revenge, so I don't care what happened.
Yeah, it was a green tea perfume revenge.
Yes.
One of those.
The most vicious kind, you know.
Yeah.
You know. That's right.
Thank you so much. That is a good song. That's from an obscure album. That was from our Christmas Scents album that we produced for doTERRA. I mean, they didn't pick it up, but we produced it for them.
We sure did. We're still waiting.
Yeah,
we're still waiting.
We left it in every doTERRA restroom they would let us into.
Yeah. Before security escorted us out.
Right. Let's sing again.
Let's!
All right.
Shall we?
Anyone else have a song?
Jingle Bells on Tucker.
Did you say Jingle Bells too? Wow.
Yeah.
Jingle Bells and Jingle Bells on Tucker,
Tucker,
which are two completely different songs.
They are.
One, the copyright has been ripped from us, and the other is about Tucker.
We haven't. Some people don't know who Tucker is.
Oh, yes, Tucker's our Winnebago,
Yes.
right? Our Winnebago that we travel around in.
Yes, and he earned that name because this might surprise you, but Harvey and I are not mechanically minded, and so what happens under the hood is just like a real mystery. It's magic, truly. No, you can.
Sorry, what did you just say? I'm not mechanically minded?
No.
Oh.
And when Tucker breaks down, which is often, we have, I guess, come up with our own way to handle the problem.
You take the tinsel, you hook it up to the battery, and then you wrap it around the thing, and then you put it through the belt, and then you tuck it all up in there.
Tuck it all up in there.
Tuck her up.
Yep.
Yep.
Tucker.
And that's how the Winnebago runs. At Christmas.
Temporarily.
Yeah, exactly. So Jingle Bells on Tucker.
Jingle Bells on Tucker.
That's a good one.
It is.
In the key of G.
I know. All these reactions are real.
Jingle bells, jingle, jingle bells. Jingle bells is so swell, and I get to drive next to you. Yes, I do. And you sing too. But that's not for another verse, which is right about now. Here she goes, and it's. Jingle bells on Tucker, which is a difficult rhyme. Unless you're singing about corn and corn on the cob, right? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, both of you. It goes on, but we had to put the sticker on that CD. So
that's right.
It's not for Christmas.
Christmas.
Go ahead.
What? Oh no.
I just gasped.
Oh, because.
No, a natural gasp.
Oh, did you? Oh, okay, great.